What's going on today, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to install one of our 10 round limiters into the new HK VP9cC mags. These are 12 round factory mags from HK. They're very easy to install. We use a universal block cut down to number 4. If you buy directly from our website, you will get one of these already made up blocks that we sell. Okay. The Universal 4 is just if you buy our 3-packs and you want to cut the blocks yourself. If you buy it through Amazon or eBay, you cut the block to number 4 in the little window right here, and this block will work just fine. What you're going to do to break this mag down, take a little ballpoint pen if you don't want to scrape up the bottom of the retaining plate. Move the floor plate to the side. Set that aside. The spring is extra long, so it's going to be high power, so be careful when you're taking the magazine apart. Take the retaining plate off of the spring. Go ahead and install the block, and then put everything back together. One thing you do need to make sure is you keep this pushing upwards, because this piece needs to lock in to the floor plate to make everything work correctly. Take your retaining plate, push down the block. Okay, again, it's under a lot of pressure, so be careful. Okay, take your floor plate, put it back onto the mag. Okay, once you hear that snap, you're good to go. We'll go ahead and give a test fitment. Make sure everything is working correct. If you need a mag loader, we do sell these on our website. These make range trips much more fun because you can load up your mags pretty quick. Okay, right here is the 10th round, and it loads in pretty easy. You can also load it in by hand, but it is just a little tighter. This is a brand new mag, so the spring isn't broken in yet, but once this thing breaks in, it's gonna be perfect. If you guys have any questions, please reach out to us at magblocks@gmail.com, and please rate this video. Thanks, guys.